Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. I'm Tola. If you're new here, please subscribe and hit the bell notification button so that you always get notified anytime I upload a new video. And if you're a returning subscriber, you are welcome. Thank you so much for joining me today. Today, as you can probably hear from the background, I have my little person here and I will be running a few errands and I'll be taking him with me. I'll also be taking you guys along with me. Okay, so today I'm running a few errands and I would like to take you along with me and show you what a day in my life would be going out with a 9-month-old by public transport. I will not be filming the entire thing, but whatever I can I will film. I want to get some supplies for a customer and I would see how this goes. I know I'm taking on too much as it is already, but you know, content. It's the year 2020 and I have been lagging in my uploads, especially on my Tola Lusi channel. If you don't know already, I have a cooking channel. You should check it out. I have a couple of videos out there already. Okay, so I have 2 errands to run today, and that would be to get to my customer who sells hair extensions. He's a wholesaler with a lot of varieties of hair extensions with different styles. I'll show you that clip as well, and I'll also be going to the bargain basket. It's like a one-stop place for everything, like from your party packs to your cheap products. I will just be getting a few things there and I'll take you on along with me as well. So okay, so that would be the 2 things that I'll be doing today. If I would be going any other place, which I doubt, I would let you know as well. But that is it, guys. Let's head out. Okay, so we're on the way now and I think he's about to sleep, so I would show you exactly how many steps now, and I'm already out of breath. I think this guy's already asleep. I just fed him, so I think he will be calm I pray he will be calm. He's a peaceful baby, so I pray he will be calm throughout this entire journey. How many steps now? I'm already out of breath. Yo.
Welcome to the forge. Your job is to free your tools and make a blade.
Okay, so finally we made it to one piece and we're finally at my customer's place. I think you guys can hear me. There's so much ambient noise here. This one is sleeping and I'm just going to pick up some few things. I want to get some expressions in about 8-10 colors, and I think you guys can hear me, and I'm not just talking to myself. There's so much ambient noise here. But I'll show you how it goes. Yes, this is my customer, by the way. Don't say hello. Walking back home from the bus stop, finally made it in one piece. This young man was a champ, cooperated 100%. I was able to get everything I set out to get. I didn't have to get to the second place because I found what I was looking for just close by, so that was a real lifesaver because I didn't have to go to get to town with this boy. And so my arms are paining me now. I got a lot of weird stares. Like I anticipated it and I was not disappointed at all. People gave me like crazy stares, like I hope this is legit. Like, what is she filming? It was just all I got some really crazy stuff. Some people were looking at me like I was crazy, and I literally felt stupid at some point. But it was all worth it. I mean, I got to find out what it was all about, or how it felt to vlog on the streets of South Africa. So it was an okay experience. It was fun. I wouldn't even lie. It was fun, and it was a good bargain. I got a lot of discounts for my customers. So you guys should please patronize him. He sells, well, if you're ever in the area, he sells really nice and affordable hair pieces. And I guess that is it, guys. Okay, so we were able to get home in one piece. I mean, this young man was a real charm. I mean, he was asleep for most parts of our outing, and I was able to get everything I set out to get. I didn't have to get to the second place though, because I found what I was looking for close by. So that was even much more fun for me. I mean, I didn't have to spend as much time or take as much buses as I set out to, and we made it home in one piece, save for one nail that was missing. I don't know how that happened, but I mean, it's better than losing my phone, which could have happened, but it didn't. I hope you guys had fun watching this, and expect more of this in subsequent vlogs, and I will see you in my next one. Please subscribe if you haven't done so already, and I will see you in my next one. Goodbye, guys.